So I just wanted to show you guys some very basic computation layer, and I'm just going to show you one thing, just one thing, which is my favorite thing. So we are under our custom activities. I'm going to create a new activity. I'm going to title it Sandbox, just so we have something to play around in, and create new activity. And this is my landing page for creating my own activity. And there's can be anything that you want. You can have let's say we have a text input. This is my favorite piece of Computation Layer. So if you want to find where Computation Layer lives, you're going to go here. And the reason that I like this one is because I'm a person who struggles with when given just kind of a very open-ended question, like explain. And so I teach ELLs. So what I like to have is a sentence starter. So if you want to write a sentence starter for your students, initial text, put some quotes and say, my thoughts are, and that's it. Quote on the front, quote on the back. Now I'm going to ask a question. What do you think? And anytime I want to see how something works, when I'm messing with something, I always go up here to preview it. Now the students have the text input, and they can even manipulate this. They can take the ellipses out of it. But if there's something that I'm asking them for where I want them to be able to fill in a blank, and this is a good example. That is something that I've done. So they're asked to choose good values for the input, and I want them to tell me how they chose those good values for inputs. But this was simply, this is initial text that I wrote in there because I wanted them to be able to say, I chose multiples of the number 3. And so I'm guiding them toward that. And that was done with initial text. So again, you can see here, once this is green, there's no computation layer in here, edit computation layer script, but you can see this is the sentence frame that I wrote for those students. So I hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.